Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah, and y'all, today I'm going to be talking about something just a little bit different, but I am wanting to do a lot more of these kinds of videos on my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the 5 steps that you can actually make money in your online business. Essentially, if you are an aspiring influencer or a blogger, or you're a network marketer, or you are a personal trainer or a hairstylist and you are trying to attract clients online and you are wanting to actually make money using social media or the online space, then this video is going to be for you. Here we go. You guys ready? We're going to just get right into it. These are 5 steps to actually help you make money in your online business. Number 1, okay, this one is going to seem like it's going to be kind of obvious, but at the same time, I think it's something that, a lot of people kind of forget. So step number 1, okay, is to make up your mind. I know, like super profound. But seriously, there are so many people that start their own business or, start, their side hustle, whatever they're doing, and they just haven't made up their minds. Like, they're just kind of doing it like, let's just see if this takes off. Let's just kind of dabble in it. Let's just see. No, guys, like, you have to commit. And when you commit, there is a huge mindset shift. You honestly begin to start doing the things that you know to do, or the things that even like you're afraid to do, or that you have a fear of, or you may feel insecure to do, because you have fully committed to the process and you have fully committed to the journey. So when you make up your mind that you are going to make money in your business, you are going to do what it takes and you will make money in your business. So step number 1, make up your mind. I swear it is seriously so important to do that. If you haven't done it yet, I highly recommend doing so. Like, just wake up and know that you are going to do it. So make up your mind, because if you make up your mind, even when things get hard, you're still going to push through anyway. You know what I'm saying? So that's number 1. Number 2, okay, this is going to sound kind of like what? Is to stop posting pictures of just your product or just your service. Stop. And you know what? If you are someone that posts pictures of just your product or just showcases your service and you do well, keep doing that. But if you are someone that does that and you have found, little to no success doing that, I'm saying stop. Because what you're doing is you are hurting, basically, you're hurting your brand. You're basically saying that your brand is you selling stuff or you trying to make money, right? And that's not what you want to do for your audience. Really, what you should be doing, if your goal is to sell a product or sell a service, talk about the benefit of that product or service. So for example, say you sell something that helps with acne, okay? And that being said, you can show a picture of your product and like, hey, like this clears acne and blah, blah, blah. That's one way to do it. But if you actually focus on that specific niche per se, and you focus on that pain point and you actually look at it like that person would, like, for example, I have struggled really badly with acne basically my entire life. And so thoughts that would run through my head would be things like, man, I just feel like I have to cake on this makeup, or I just have to put on all of this makeup and all of this foundation to cover up acne. And I don't want to. I want to let my skin breathe. Like, I want to feel confident in my own skin without putting makeup on. And if you can speak to that pain, if you can hit that pain point and actually talk like you understand what they're thinking and like you're inside their minds, it's going to attract them to you in a way that is not salesy. Like, it allows them to trust you. And so that's what I mean by not just showing just your product or just your service, but actually speaking to the benefit of that product or service. Number 3 you ready? Would be to tell your story. Be open, be vulnerable, be you, be your authentic self. And here's the thing, at the end of the day, like, people don't want to be bothered. We are busy people, right? Like, people don't have 30 seconds to be bothered. If you're going through like Facebook or Instagram and you see like a corporate like graphic of like a product or something like that, you just kind of swipe on through. Like, you don't have 30 seconds to be bothered, but you have, 30 seconds to read a story, right? You have 30 seconds to be entertained, right? So if you are telling a story and you are kind of interweaving the pain points into your story, right? And you can allow your reader or your audience or, your listener to understand that you understand, and, even kind of turn it into an inspiring thing and show them that you understand and that you have the solution, you guys, you are going to see sales, right? You are going to see that conversion happen. People are going to be drawn to you. Tell your story, right? Like, facts tell, but stories sell. The sooner you get comfortable telling your story, the faster you're gonna make money online. I'm serious. Like, okay, are you guys ready for step number 4? Like, y'all, this is one that I heard all of the time, and I knew it was important, but I didn't realize how important it was. And you're gonna hear it and you're gonna be like, yeah, I know that. But step 4 is to be consistent. You guys, like, you have got to touch your business every day. I'm serious. Like, you have got to do it. Find something and do it. Stop giving up on yourself, because you so deserve this, right? And other people deserve what you have to offer. You are offering something of value. Don't give up. You make a commitment and you don't waver. It's the same thing. Don't waver. Stay consistent. Show up every single day. Even if you can't stay consistent with all the things, pick one thing that you are consistent with. Get consistent with that, get comfortable doing that, and then slowly add things in. If all you can do every single day is make a quality post on Facebook, then that's what you do. That's what you commit to, okay? Commit to that. Then commit to something else, right? And slowly add it in until you feel comfortable. Just stay consistent with it. Seriously, like, even if you are talking to 3 people a day, or you are posting one thing a day, you are still doing something for your business. And if you do something consistently every day, like, you're gonna see results. It may take time, but you will see results. So step number 5, now I know you guys aren't gonna like this one, and I'm so sorry, but step number 5 is to show up in video or audio, okay? So I'm talking like, live streams, or, YouTube, or podcast, or stories. Like, show your face and talk. If you are trying to build a business online, you've got to show up as yourself, your raw, authentic self. And sometimes that means being on video or on a podcast or whatever you're doing, okay? And honestly, in my opinion, the easiest way to get started with this is Facebook Live, like, or Instagram Live now, or wherever you guys want to go live. But live, to me, is a great way to build your business, because it's super authentic and raw and real, and people see the real you. It's not edited. You don't have to go back and edit, so it's less work for you. And I just feel like live video is kind of king in this. Start by, like, taking your phone and, like, recording yourself and just kind of talking into stories and posting it. See what you can do there first, and then, kind of upgrade to live video. But guys, you have got to show up in audio and video. Now, I am not saying that you can't have success without video or audio, because you can, but I do think if you really want to scale your business, show up in audio and video, because that is where you are going to connect with people the most. Because posts and, like, copy can bring people in, but, like, your voice and your face and your words, that's what's going to attract people to you, right? They're going to feel more connected with you and feel like you're their friend, right? Because people don't just buy things just because they want the product, and they don't purchase a service because they just want what you have to offer. I mean, they do, but they do it because it's you. You are your brand, you guys. Like, show up as you every single day. Be committed to that. And I promise, like, people are gonna be attracted to that, and people are gonna wanna work with you. Okay, you guys, those are my 5 tips to make money in your online business. I hope you got some value from this video. If you liked it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. Yeah, I'll be back with more content like this soon. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.